You know, yes, playground na rin mga highlights ko, mga idolo. Ngayong episode natin, magkakaroon tayo ng playground na hindi ganda. Dahil sa kauna-unahang pagkakataon, ipapasyalan natin ang barangay San Ildefonso, Alaminos, Laguna, dahil may ginaganap sila doong Mayor's Cup. Kaya maraming salamat po doon sa bumubuo ng liga. Dahil kahit unang beses tayo nagpunta doon, ay welcome na welcome tayo. Binigyan nila tayo ng merienda at masarap na punan. Maraming salamat po doon sa bumubuo. And syempre, shoutout din po sa The Original Survive. Sila po yung tumulong sa atin para makapag-cover ng liga. Kaya maraming salamat and shoutout po kay Idolo GL Asyong Perez, kay Referee Orly Wiser, at maraming salamat kay Rep General. Siya po yung nakasabay natin papunta sa venue. Talaga namang napalaba kami sa ulan. And syempre, maraming salamat din po kay Rep Bustos na siya naman nasakyan natin mula sa venue pabalik sa plaza ng San Pablo. Kaya maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta. Pero bago tayo pumunta doon, nais ko din pong pasalamatan lahat ng idolo na patuloy na sumusuporta sa ating channel. Sana po nakasubscribe na kayo and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga video natin. Dahil ang UYAS Playground po, ang mga nanonood ay 84% po ay hindi nakasubscribe. Kaya pasuyo na lang po and then papalo na lang din po ng ating mga page, yung UYAS at ang ating official TikTok and Instagram account na UYAS Playground. Pero bago tayo pumunta sa laban, nais ko rin pong pasalamatan ang ating mga masusugid na sumusuporta sa ating channel. Siyempre, maraming salamat sa nagbigay po ng napakaangas nating sombrero, Idolo Brian Ferrer, and siyempre, ang aking UYAS Playground jersey na bigay ng Pioneers Athletics. Maraming salamat po, Idolo Mark Desu. O, paano? Samahan nyo na ako napuntahan ang venue laban sa ulan. Pupuntahan natin ang barangay San Ildefonso, Alaminos, Laguna para sa kanilang Mayor's Cup. Bakbakan! Sa bawat laro, idolo, huwag kang matakot makipagsabayan. Huwag kang mahiya. Ipakita ang kaya mong gawin. Dahil sa bawat laro, diyan ka mas mahuhubog. Tuloy lang ang ensayo at samahan ng disiplina. Huwag kang pipigil hanggat di mo nagagawa. Tumigil ka lang kapag di mo na magawa. Lagi mong tatandaan, walang sino man ang makakapagsabi na kaya mo. Nasa sayo yan kung hanggang saan mo madadala ang sarili mo. playground na rin mga highlights ko. Ito, balik tayo sa barangay San Ildefonso, Alaminos, Laguna para sa ginaganap nilang Mayor's Cup. Muli maraming salamat po sa bumubuo ng liga at syempre the original Starbikes. Maraming salamat din. Ito, junior bakbakan tayo. Third game ngayong araw maglalaro mga idolo ng Poblacion 3 at maalaban naman nila ito yung kulay puti mga idolo ng San Miguel. Hintay lang natin may mga bagong bibida sa ating playground. Ito, pasok na yung mga player.
Jersey number 13, Bashi.
Yung ilan dito, player ni Boss Cubs. Shoutout pala kay Idol Cubs ng Crumblers. Okay, ito na, junior bakbakan tayo. Poblacion 3 kontra San Miguel. Wari ko first time ko mabibidyoan itong San Miguel. Yan, maraming salamat po pala dun sa player ng sa referee pala. Kaya nagkagulo sila kung saan nakaharap. Ang problema, mali yung pagkakaharap. Tama, dyan yung goal nila. First quarter tayo, dun sila sa tapat ng bench nila. Tama lang yan, okay lang yan. Nagkamali lang kasi lang ng pwesto, hindi nila na-correct yung sa jump ball. Diretso tayo.
Dishing it out to the right. Order
Uy!
no good.
Wala.
Ball will have to go the other way. San Miguel using their quickness and agility.
Aba.
Pass underneath. Hindi na basa jump shot. Ilistaw yan. Unang pupos na ilala para sa San Miguel. Ball has been tapped away. Papasahin ko muna.
Foul.
Ball stays with San Miguel. They have 10 to work with. Order 3. And a 3-point try also. Athletics firing his way in. Using his size. And that first step is Alvarez 5-2. Basie. Mid-range is good. Very hot start. Para sa San Miguel, Belen. Notching a jumper that night.
7-2.
Ay po natin kamayan, ipapakang Poblacion 3 at Barangay San Miguel. 7-2 are your scores. Ang basa. Basie, tapdo ang basa, mid-range. No good. The ball is with Flores. Flores to Alvarez. And they have the ball stolen. San Miguel on the run. Belen. Oh, short. Undercooked. Ball almost tapped away. Montiel recovers. Inside. Rebound. Whose rebound is it going to be? Ambasa. Oh, what a pass underneath. Book it. 9-2 are your scores. Ang bilis ng palitan. Basket is good. Nice drive right there by Alvarez, number 2. Montiel has the ball back. Another sneaky pass. With the basket.
For 11. Lamang tong puti.
Flores dashing his way through. Alvarez. Back to Flores. Alvarez.
Diniin ngayon.
His way inside. That guy who just came in.
Aba.
Oh, one-hand quick throw. He got the ball up to me. Well, he used to say,
3 seconds.
what's happened there? I get it. We are a little bit over 6 minutes in our first quarter. Oh, yeah. Ball is inside. That was wild. April gets called for his first personal foul, second getting the feel of the game. April used the ball. April gets it to Flores. Look at the size of this guy, Flores. Oh, what a drive! What a smooth! What a move by Vega! Kaya pala nag-i-stretch. Trying to reciprocate. April, to Alvarez. What a point like this! What am I looking at? The Vega has it. He goes for a dive, no good. The Vega once again, he still has it. What power! Kitang-kita ang size mismatch. Pabor sa mga naka-asul. Basket is not good. Flores playing the point. This has been the biggest point guard I've seen in a while.
Oo, ang lapad. Ang lapad na rin para sa
You
point
have
guard.
a free Flores and Alvarez, and then you have the quickness of Barangay San Miguel. Thwarted away.
Ang haba nun. Uy!
May kasama pang foul.
Magdala na pa nga ako buka.
Big lineup.
6 games din, naray ko.
Alvarez. Intimidating.
Ganda nung inbound play nilang yun.
Back to Flores.
Design play yun.
April. Oh, what a pass by April.
Ganda, bumawi. Galing, kahit ang laki niya, galing niya pumasa.
Never seen somebody shooting a free throw one-handed. Ampasa. Layup is good by Ampasa. Balik sa pito, hinahamon. We are a little bit under 5 minutes. Bakbahan po na shot west ng San Miguel.
Asala, sayang, ganda.
Roy Johnson, are you in the house? Third.
Ganda nun, di lang na-shoot, sayang.
Need for penalty.
Tama yung commentator, white chocolate talaga yung galaw na gano'n.
The shot west. Sneaky pass, almost red like a book. Get that thing out of here. Alvarez inside. Hipsy that should count.
Patay ka.
And another one.
Wow, sayang.
Not this time.
Okay, penalty. Ang aga, 3:57.
Ruega gets more for his first personal foul. Look at the size of this man. Slowly charging, crossing the midway inward part of the court. Alvarez. Back to him, long three. Almost. Ball has been tapped. Too small is it, Brent? And there is a foul. But then, you can have everything in this world. Meron namang quickness and agility ang Barangay San Miguel. 17 lamang ang San Miguel. Taking advantage of their speed, Manalo secures the second. 11 and 18. Pass inside to Alvarez, easy shot. 12 and 18. Manalo. Crossing passes defender. Manalo. Look at that. Tumatakbo ka na mga pe. Easy. The script has been written. It's in striking distance. Liagas. The match of order. Liagas. Get that thing out of here. Mga gumalaman sa team count ng Barangay San Miguel. Alvarez, jumper is good. What a player this has been. We are tied at 18. Bobic. Liagas. Shot is good.
Laki nung in-improve ni Alvarez ito, Toto. Simula nung nabidyoan ko siya dati. Ganda nung in-improvement niya ngayon.
Rebound by the Whites. Liagas. Nice. They are now exchanging blows.
18-22. Lamang tong puti ng apat.
Alvarez. Ups out for a three. It just ran down.
Yore, kay Wem. Oh, kala ko si Wemby.
The Silva with that beautiful putback. Bobby's up and under.
3 seconds.
And
Sobrahan sa pasa. Hindi lumabas yung kasabi. 20-22. 1 minute and 15.
Alvarez to the corner.
Sayang. Hindi niya na kumpleto.
Alvarez was there to keep it alive here. Number one. Pass to Liagas. Grabe, apat na nakaputin. Nasa nabi na. 24-20. We are under a minute. Lamang na apat.
Kings favor na tayo.
They will not pull the trigger. They have 16 to shoot. Nothing but air. Alvarez. They're We have
10.
5. Alvarez. They got to shoot.
Okay, second quarter tayo. San Miguel versus Poblacion.
It's now a 3-point game. Lamang ang tatlo ang Poblacion West. Montiel to the man corner. What a pass! And another traveling right. We just started the second frame of action. Belen, back to Montiel. Man in the middle, Manalo. That should not count. Sort of what they got you playing without even in. Oh, Alvarez waiting at the right place. He was there at the right time for that easy deuce. underneath. And there's a lot of contact. That should be. He gets 0 that night. Ball is rolling. Dashing away. Oh. Libranda was there to save that miss. Pitong puntos na. Montierte. San Miguel. That is your first personal time. Antay. Corner 3. Points. They are creating distance here. Spinny Rooney. Turnover. Alvarez. The Branda. One leg, one eye. But not quite. Both coaches shuffling their deck of cards. 10 puntos sa kalamangan ng Poblacion 3. 7 minuto sa ating 2 minuto. Montierte. Look at that tough defense. Oh, almost got the handle. Back to the wrong eye. Alvarez to Libranda. Fading away. Bola ng San Miguel, Basie, Montierte flies away with a layup. 34-26, walang puntos. Kanina namamayag pa ng San Miguel. Kaso na naman, medyo bruiser na ito. 3 points.
Grabe, tinitigan niya pa yun. Pagka-block.
Oh, what height! Inside is Manalo. Mike Castama on foul. One with eyewear. Reminding me of Amari Stoudemire from New York Knicks. He's a big guy.
Traveling.
Traveling by bola ng San Miguel, Bastian, Montierte, crossing over, Montierte, all the way. Wala. 2v1, short. We are at the under 6 minutes. Sa ikalawang ito, Manalo barreling his way. Through and through is Manalo. Sayang walang sponsor na si Benito. What a solid finish by Manalo. Corner 3, short. Mabasa.
5 minutes and 30, 37-30. Lamang ang depensa.
Oh, Dipsy do. Ang lalim ng sauce. Outside floor scores. Even. So good. Basie, jump shot. Sweep. Basie knocking down that mid-range. 5 puntos na lang. Umakapak na ball. Ang Barangay San Miguel. Long 3. Rattles out. Dinawa. Montierte, what a catch. Back to Montierte. Basket is good. Back to San Miguel. Grabing teamwork ko. Barangay San Miguel.
Tatlo na, 37-34.
In this ball game, babasa tatlo, hinahabol, 3-point shot is not good. Ang natikamaman nito, Amari Stoudemire. With that basket, could it be your name? Montierte. Tumalaan Manalo. Oh. We are down to the 4-minute mark of this game. That's still giving some comfort to his teammates. Beruega. Ball almost stolen. They have 11 to work with. Nabasa. Bobies one-on-one. Bobies doing that. Umaba naman. Pero may tuloy siya doon. 39-36. Alvarez inside. Nakahit. Defensa.
39-36.
Too strong. Magandang gabi po sa lahat. Ating ulap po yan, ipagpapang po na surprise naman sa Barangay San Miguel. Sa ating Mayor's Cup, Saturday edition. Castillo from the corner. It will not fall. The foul is called.
Parang sumenya siya. Ayan, hands po nga. Hands po, ang tawag ni rep.
Okay, our referee has made something clear. So who gets called?
Teka ha.
Beruega gets called for the unsportsmanlike foul.
Toto, na-apela yung coach ng kabila, syempre. Okay, lamang na ng dalawa. Itong kulay puti, itong San Miguel. 39-41, 2 minutes and 40.
Overhead na ilong punto sa lamangan. They have fresh 16. Da Silva inside, no good. No look pass to Da Silva. Off the glass. Ilista mo yan. Ang nasa 41, Montiel. Pelen at awan sa palengke. Montiel. Okay, posting up, backing up is Manalo. Called for his first personal foul, warning for penalty. Pelen, what a pass to Poppy. No good. Da Silva securing the board. Changing direction, what a pass inside. We are tied at 41. Montiel, Sinao, 43-41. Lamang ng dalawang San Miguel. Alvarez. Da Silva, stick man is good. Tablas, 43. Nakawala naman si Basie. Nice pass. Halfway. And ball is on. We have 1 minute. Sa ating game clock. Quick offense mula sa Fundación Press. San Miguel, nakawala. Manalo.
Third na ni Manalo. Ang big man ng San Miguel.
Like it was nothing. Grabe pihit doon.
Ganda ng pihit, kaso sa kalaban binigay.
Oh, grabe. Parang nagpapong lang sa Caldero sa kalaban. 45-43 last minute. Fresh shot lang tayo. Alvarez. Corner 3. Bang! Grabe. Ikita ko sa bench niya. Ikita ko sa balbas niya. Lina. Super is good. Using the glass. 20 segundo para sa mga nakasunod. Na Silva. As reinforcement. Grabe naman yun, kuya. Okay, nothing happens there. 16 seconds. And a breakaway. 49, 46, Belen. And Lina. What a two-match game. Alvarez once again.
UAS Playground halftime break is brought to you by LOG Sportswear, Cosmic Drip, AA Import Hub, Lucas Barbers, DJ Aldrin, Christian Sweets, and Love Milky on the Wheels. Huwag po natin kalilimutan mag-like, comment, share, at lalong-lalo mag-subscribe sa ating channel. Okay, third quarter na tayo. Dikit yung laban natin. Ang gandang laban.
Jump shot, short shot, no good. Manalo inside, basket is good. Halo. 5 puntos na. Napakasulit na big man. Barangay for San Miguel Corporation. Libraga, fly by, jump shot, no good. And the ball. Okay, he's got some. Has the ball. You need to make something happen. Oh, and foul is gonna get called. Alma laban sa San Gregorio. On to his second. Both free throws are good. Para kay Unido. Libranda. Crossing over. Ang dami niyan. And a lot of contact. And his team's first team foul. Oh, player against the ball. Lina breaking away. Ang daming asong lobo niya. Humahabol sa'yo. Ang basa. Lina. At San Miguel. Laban ng ito ang barangay San Miguel.
kay 53. Lilima na tong lamang ng puti.
Focus na lang. Manalo once again. Manalo. May kasama pang foul. Players fixing their uniforms. It stays with the whites. Almost off the handle. They have 6 seconds to work with. Bianca Sarabin hit. Napasa na napasa. And now the whites are on the attack. Montiel is good. Against two defenders. Siyang napupos ang lamang ng San Miguel. They have pressure 16 on the shot clock. Garan from deep. Bang! Garan knocking down the quarter 3. Manalo. Survey, nagawa ko. Akin pa yan. Manalo. Attacking it inside. They have Walker Woodward with the offensive board. On the breakaway is Alvarez. That's how it score. 53-57. Apat ang naman ng mga nakaputi. Nagkakabi sa lahat ng mga manood. Lamang pa naman ng nakaputi ng apat. Grabe. What a move. May Manalo. Manalo gets home for the first time. A very huge hole na naiwanan niya.
All trouble si Manalo.
Alvarez. Trouble to stay together. They don't have a big in the middle. They have 14 to work with. 3 points wide. They have the rebound. Orpis inside. Doing some damage.
Taas tumalun no. Parang may spring sa paa.
Behind the back dribble. Bubunuin ng mga napakasul ang Poblacion Press. Wendy not getting the ladder. On the attack are the whites. Basa. 2-point basket made.
53-61. Lamang yung puti sa Miguel.
Basketball is made easy para sa Barangay San Miguel. Trying to simplify things, tapping it in the wrong man. Ambasa waiting for somebody to rescue him. A lot of contact. Meet and number meet. Belen. Bassier driving to the right. Bassier fading away. Lawrence is back on the floor. Lawrence to Alvarez. No look pass. Blue ball. Quarter 3. No good. Rebound. And a lot of physical patting the guy on the head. They have 12 to work with. Alvarez almost lost the ball. White ball. Getting into the wrong line. 4 versus 3. Oh! Not the hit. Senior division. Rebounded with the other. Torres flying in. Basket is good. Pabasaan
57-63, 2 minutes and 55.
Pontiente. Ibinigay kay Lina. Lina being harassed. Manalo. Very traditional penalty. Wanting for his time on the charity stripes. Above everyone, Madam Ichisa Boragi. 57-66. What a layup by Alvarez. Ang bilis ng mag-work. Para AI. Alvarez, may dalawa ka, personal foul. Alvarez ay marami. Easy, easy. The weather has been cooperating with us. Limang puntos ang tama-tama ni Lina kasama ang bola. They have 16 to work with. One pass by Manalo. Sweet. What a play. Alvarez dashing his way inside. Easy, easy, easy. What a move. Looking like the one that can do one. 63-68. Manana. Sharp pass. Nakakatok na ang Pulsar 3. Malapit ng malapit. Behind the back pass to Lina. Almost. Once again, Manado has it against three. Parang may birthday surprise. Pinalikutan.
One minute and 9, 63-69.
Alvarez driving to the right. Another Alvarez gets the rebound. Isang minuto is on the line. Very unique free throw. Another for Alvarez. Pasok din yan.
Namaril na ng pan sa idol. Coast to coast.
What a reverse layup. Bibasan niya ng mga nakaputi. Dalawang puntos na lang ang mga nakaputi. Ang haba mo, pare. A very kind gesture para kay Alvarez. Friendship. And it is on display this time. Isang puntos. 22 seconds. 20 seconds. Now they have 16. Lina. Crossover table. Lina having the rope. He still has it. Lina. Last eight. Dionito. Free throws.
Grabe yung hustle ng puti. Okay, diretso tayo. Fourth quarter. Lamang ng 3 yung puti.
What a way to
shoot.
Nothing happened. Out of that. Di ko mabasa pa nga ito, pare. Order 3, wala yan. Nice pass. And with Towers in the Silva and a pin. Para kay Soto at AJ Edu. Lina. Balik sa tatlo, Alvarez, pinakasahe. May kasama pang foul. Borromeo, that is your second personal foul. First foul.
Tabla tayo, 73.
Free throw, tabla. Tabla, tanan. Back to square one po tayo. Tabla, Puso.
Tabla tayo, 75 ball.
3-point shot, overshoots. Borromeo, no good. Borromeo with a mid-range jumper, 77-75. May dalawang butos. Ang nangyaang foul si Borromeo. Alvarez to Flores. Alvarez, 3-point shot, 3-3, no good. Oh, a pin underneath. Alvarez gets fouled. Gutierrez gets scored for his fourth back at 77 apiece. With 7 minutes and 28 seconds remaining. They have pressure 16. Alvarez on the breakaway. Flores down to Alvarez. Manalo. Big Manuel inside. Big Manuel inside.
Grabe yung galaw na yun.
He is good old position of big man. Flores. Pass inside to Alvarez. Acuren. What a battle of the bigs. Alvarez versus Manalo. We are tied at 79. Manalo. Running matchup. What will he do? Zip pass. Pass and good by Biolito. The ng running part Senior Division. Beruega, Bumitaw! 3 points. Baba sa isa ang hinahabol. Beruega coming up clutch. May apat na fouls na yan, pero wala siya pakialam. Manalo. Looking like feeling up ahead. Flores to Beruega. Beruega. Man down. He is in pain. He probably quick the score. It was unintentional as we've seen from our point of view. He probably clipped his ankle. And we have caught a break in the action. Ipinapagpag niya ang sarili. Pero it's not an easy thing to do. To the free throw line, Beruega. Taking his time. He fumbles it. Barangay San Miguel. This is a badly needed free throw. And he ties the game.
Habla tayo.
We still have a lot
4 minutes and 40.
in this game. 4 minutes and 38 seconds. Montiel with 16. Montiel, they have 12 on the shot. Manalo. And he's down sa nila. Ang gagawin ng Great White Shark in Manalo. 85-85. Beruega changing direction. Flores, short snap.
139. Isa lamang ng puti.
Sa asunod sa puti. Confiante. Tulina, Lina.
Relax na relax.
Balik sa tatlo naman.
Lamang ng apat.
They got 21. Norris, what a drive! Baba sa dalawang tinahabol. Manalo. Looking for a body. Giolito. Giolito. Had a ball intercepted. 95-93. Isang minuto na lamang. Alvarez. Beluega. Norris. He ties the game.
Abla tayo.
95. And down. Penalty situation. As a result, Manalo looking to break the tie at 95. Everything is on the line. He makes it. 96-95. Flores at Madrid. Two defenders on him. Another Alvarez. A heartbreaking shot.
Lamang ng isa yung asul. Okay, graduate na si Beruega.
Both benches atas po tayo. Tabla sa 97. Alvarez, furious, hot. Alvarez throwing it up. Last 40 seconds. Overtime kaya. Huwag na manawa. Holding it. Norris, warning. For graduate. Manalo. Super round doesn't work. Manalo will he knock out a second? He knows what to think. He bounces. To shoot. Bola na, San Miguel.
13 seconds to shoot.
Boxing for position. Man down. Has to say goodbye. Send a player in.
21 seconds. 21.
Manalo, no good. Maninong bola. Dying seconds of this game. San Miguel. We are at the ball will have to be in the hands of Alvarez. And Makasay coming back in. 15. What is their plan? What is on their mind? Then to shoot. 8. Man on the floor. Man on the floor. 1 for penalty. 14. Now 6 seconds.
Nangangamoy overtime.
6.